Basically I will show you how to use this indicator and how you can make the good trades on this indicator. Perfect, thank you so much. So if you see here, first of all you have to go to the indicator section, and whoever I invite, you are here, you have the invitation, you can get from the indicator access here. After that, this will be show you the indicator like that. How basically this indicator work is give you the sell price and the buy price. You see this, I will show you in these details. So there is a simple moving average is 20, EMA is 50, and the WMA is 100. Basically this indicator will calculate moving averages, different kind of moving averages, and give you the market movement, price action, how the market and how the price will be moved, and which direction price will be moved. So there is as well the rate of change. So there is a 2% price change. Let's say for example the price change 2% upside, it will be give you a buy signal, or if the price drop 2% downside, it will be give you a sell signal. But obviously he will calculate as well the moving averages and the bullish and bearish candle, and as well he will calculate the Bollinger Band and RSI. So RSI must be below 30 when it will be a sell, it will be a buy signals, and above 70 when it will be give you a sell signals. But all the conditions has to be matched for buy and sell signals. You don't need to change anything settings here. All the settings are set for the market movement and tested on my accounts, so it's perfectly fine. Basically this indicator generate you minimum 5% profit, but if you used some trailing features like 3 comma, they give you a trailing feature, you can use that trailing feature as well. Also, if you want to make a bot for this indicator, let's say we are here on BTC chart. So BTC chart is here, is show you the buy and sell signals in the chart. So you can put the indicator as an alert on the bot when the buy signal will be sent. That time your bot will be open the long trade, and when the sell signal will be sent, the bot will be open a short trade. So let's create your one bot here. You can see how to create the bot and how the bot will be work. We have to go to the 3 comma, and in the bot section we create one bot. So first of all you have to choose your account, then you have to choose the coin. Let's say in the chart you are using, let's say ETH. In the chart you are using ETH, and you want the bot will be open the trade when there is a buy signal and when there is a sell signal. But main thing, you have to choose 1 hour time frame, because this signals is made for 1 hour time frame. So if you choose the 1 hour time frame, there will be a big profit possibility, but if you choose the 4 hour time frame, there is a short profit but risky. So suggest you to use 1 hour time frame. Then what you have to do, you have to go to the alert section, and here you have to create a one alert. So here you have an alert section. Now you have to set the alert condition. So you want to open the long board or short board. Let's say we open a long board. So here you have to choose the coin ETH, which is already selected. Then you have to choose the condition here, multi indicator. Then you have to select buy label. After that you have to select once per bar closed, means when the buy signal will come and the price will be come back down little bit in second bar, there will be a trade will be open. Next, what you have to do, you have to connect your webhook URL. So webhook URL, where you can find this, you go to the 3 comma fact and here you write webhook. So here is the webhook URL. You need to copy that. Then you have to come back here and paste it here. After that you have to put the message for open, where you can find that message. For that you have to go back and create a bot. Let's say we create a bot ETH USDT long bot. We want to open base order $100. You can set any base order as per the indicator, because the indicator will be buy only that time when there is a buy signal. So you can put any kind of price here on the base order, but remember, whatever price you put here, you have to put double here. So $200 safety order. Then you have to choose the deal start condition. So deal start condition should be TradingView custom signals, because you are using external TradingView signals. So you have to choose TradingView custom signals. What the minimum profit you want? 4.5% with trailing 0.4%, because it's that 0.10% deviation should be whatever you have choose here. You have to choose 0.10% deviation. Next, you don't need too many safety orders. You can put 2. Price deviation 2. Safety order step scales 2. And safety orders step scales 2. So there you see the bot used $700. This is a spot trading I am talking about. I'm not talking about the leverage trading. You can use the leverage trading with this indicator, yes, long and short, but you need to create a bot for that. So here is the 6% this bot will be used of your funds. Sorry, 6% price deviation, and $701 you will use from your funds. When these all settings are done, after that you have to create a bot and click on start. Click on OK. So here you have the bot ready to go, but you remember you put the TradingView custom signals. So this bot will be work only that time when there is a buy signals from TradingView. How you can set that? You have to come down here and you see there is a message for deal start signals. You have to click on that. It will be automatically copied. Go back to TradingView. You need to paste that message. Remember, as it is the message is show here, you have to paste here. No space, no comma, extra there. Otherwise the bot will be not start with this message. Then you have to create, we will say this will warning will become because there is some price movement different from the chart and the bot, so you just click on continue anyways. So now your alert condition is set, your bot is ready, and now you have to wait for the deal start when there is a buy signals. So here is all the settings, and just you need to wait when there is a buy signals appear, or so that time the bot will be start automatically. So this will be continue until you stop the bot. There is no double print signals. So this is surety that when you have the buy signal it is buy, when you have a sell signal it will be sell. But for sell signals you have to create a different bot. But as well you can set in this bot for if you have here the sell signal. Let's say you have here buy signals, but here you receive the sell signals. What you will do, you can add the alert for this bot, long bot, to closed on when the sell signal will be appeared. So let's say here the sell signals will come and you have a deal active and which is in the profit. What you can do, only you have to go to your bot and find out the message deal closed at market price. So there is a message to close all deals at market price. Simply click on this, come back to here, create a new alert. Your webhook is already active. Select the value once per bar, and here you have to choose the sell label. Last time you used the buy label. For the closing deal you have to choose the sell label, and then you have to paste that message which you copy from here for deal closed. Then you have to create, click on continue. So now you have the deal close message as well. So let's say your bot generate you 20% in one deal, but there is a message for sell signal. So the sell signal will be sent from TradingView to 3, bot, and your trade will be closed in profit. And same scenario, you can do short trade, deal start condition with sell signals, and long trade deal start condition with buy condition. Hope is answer your questions. You understand how to use the indicator. If you have any issue you can contact me on Telegram, or if you want to use this indicator you have to join the VIP channel or check out my website charttrade.com. There is all the details mentioned. If you don't want to join VIP, only use the indicator, you can ask me the price and you have the access. When you pay, you have the access for the indicator. Thank you so much.